Hello and welcome to the highlights of the second game of the Pakistan Junior League. Bahawalpur Royals versus Hyderabad Hunters at the Adafi Stadium, Lahore. The toss was won by Bahawalpur Royals and they decided to bowl first. Let's have a look at the two sides. Bahawalpur Royals featuring three overseas players, Yohan Mane from South Africa and Kharotai from Afghanistan, Nathan Edwards from the West Indies. Hyderabad Hunters featuring two overseas players, Ibrahim Masood from Afghanistan and Azaya Tone from the West Indies. Let's join our commentators as action begins in match 2.
Through a gap. And that's a fine looking stroke. Didn't try to overhit it. Caressed through that cover region. Again through that offside region. Looks in ominous form. Side bag. Bottom edge. Fortuitous boundary, but it's the third one in the over, so an expensive over to start things off after 13 without loss.
Play that long, that's edged and gone. First wicket, going hard at that line which was outside the off stump, and a genuine edge. Well taken in the slips there.
Mid-off region, should have gone more cover point with that drive. Pulled and just nearly into the hands of the fielder. Gone for 6. It was a length delivery down the leg side and a real opportunity.
But what happened eventually is he helped the ball on its way and it went for a 6. I think he didn't realize that the ball is just flying over him.
Uppish, but in the gap once more. Captain slapped straight back past the bowler. No issues with hitting straight, and there are no fielders in that region. First boundary for Rana.
Oh, nicked. It's an outside edge. The slip really had no chance. And you will get a boundary. Seen that shot already tonight. And it's a beautiful looking shot, get on top of the bounce, and it's timed. Well, this is another bouncer and should be out. Have a look at the square leg. Is the height okay? I think it is. Remember, it was given 1 for the over.
And this is the second time he has gone to the fine leg region, and it's Yohan Mane again, and this time he makes no mistake. Takes the catch very comfortably. Important wicket, a very well directed bouncer.
Oh, bowled again. That's that delivery that just goes on with the arm. Change of angle and a change of fortune, and the Royals are fighting back hard here.
Bring it into the left-hander. Use the arm ball. Very well bowled there. Look at that. Kept a bit low as well, but he was on the back foot. Couldn't do much. He has to walk back for naught.
Oh, how has he cut that? How has he cut that off the stumps? Could be out. Is out. I think he's run out here. Careless running. And just have a look here. Oh, clever from the keeper. Clever from the keeper. Absolutely brilliant. You can pick up the delight and the cheers from the bowling side, who are hitting back hard here.
And there is another one. Going through the defenses of Rana. Now the reaction of Rana is one of disappointment, as if the ball didn't Is that out? Yeah. Given to bowl to left-handers just because of the angle created and the fact that the arm ball that comes into the left-hander poses a big challenge. Arham Nawab, vice-captain of this Bahawalpur Royals team, creating havoc with the ball, and there's another one. Back-to-back wickets for the young man. This time the catch taken in first slip. And further trouble now for Hyderabad Hunters.
This is clever bowling, because what he's done the ball before is he's got the ball to carry on. This is the arm ball. Look at the seam and look at how that's come out of the hand. He's followed it with the swing away from him. It's a good sharp catch at first slip.
Catch it is the call, but it'll miss everyone, including the fielder and the deep. Boundaries are good. Whatever they can add from here on. Hyderabad Hunters. He doesn't get hold of it. Should be out. Should be an easy catch. It is. Hitting high on the bat, trying to pull one, and that takes wicket number 8 back to the dugout.
Yeah, just too much pace. And Sajid Ali has pace, simple catch for the captain, Obaid Shahid. And the end of the 8th wicket, delight as well. Absolutely, enjoy every moment of it.
Wow, that was a good ball. How did that miss the stumps? It's got some part of the bat. It's gone to the boundary. It was quick. That's a good shot. Made it look so easy. A no-look shot.
End of the 18th over, 112 for 8.
And gone. Easy as you like. Yuan takes the catch. Another wicket falls. Hyderabad is just struggling to get runs on board.
Well, the South African, Yuan Mane. And it's the end of the big wicket, really. The only wicket left in Munib Wasif. Tried to ramp it over, short, fine leg.
Wow, how did he manage that? The keeper's coming under it. The bowler says mine, and that wraps up things here. All out.
Batting card, it was just Saad, the captain, who got 34 of 24. Rana putting in 21. That was one big partnership. And down the order, Wasif, a runner ball 26. Helped them to get 113. They couldn't bat for 20 overs. Finished in 18.3. Spinners had a big say, especially Aram Nawab, 3 for 15 in his 4 overs with 14 dots. And later on, wrapping the innings up, Sajjad, the fast bowler, 3 for 21. They were the leading wicket takers, and Bahawalpur Royals did well to restrict the opposition to 113. So with 114 on the board as the winning target, let's join the action as Bahawalpur Royal come out to bat.
Straight away off the mark. Masat Ali with a couple runs. We'll look for swing. We've seen that in the first innings with the new ball, so that's a huge factor. Cut away. Beautifully played in that point region. A short delivery with pace on. Showed up a good length on that occasion. Masat Ali was ready for it, and he'll get 4. So another boundary for the Royals. Treaded that one through the point region. And that's an elegant looking stroke once more from Masat Ali. Miscued, but just over that fielder in mid-on. It runs away for 4.
But they did well at the end, and that also goes for 4. Not really good fielding there by Thorn. Boundary of the last ball of the over after 3, 26 for naught.
Again, the angle, no turn on offer. And again, that slow pace just outfoxing the batter.
A beautiful delivery from Mohammad Zubair Jr. Just look at that. An arm ball there, comes into the batter, takes the leg stump.
Edged just to the left of the fielder in first slip. Didn't have a lot of time to react, but he'll put that down as an opportunity.
It's high in the air. There's an opportunity. Will take some catching. Oh, almost got there. Uh-oh. What happened there? A boundary. The fielder backing up should have stopped that. Again, shorter length, and again put away. Basit Ali, he looks good, and he means business. Again, a good shot. Some great stroke play over here from Basit Ali. This over's been expensive. Have a look at that. That's the 5th boundary. More runs here. And that might go to the boundary. That's 4. And up 50 for Basit Ali. That's the fastest 50 in the tournament up till now in the Pakistan Junior League.
It's been a good knock. Very good knock. Second half century. That looks good. And it's out.
A good knock comes to an end.
Yeah, he looked like he was thinking of advancing. Got stuck halfway down the wicket. And that struck him plumb in front of the off stump.
Big shot, big welcome to the Afghan overseas player with a maximum.
Yeah, not a good ball to start, is it?
Runs here, he'll use the pace on the ball, and I'll go for 4. This outfield is quick. Once it passes that 30-yard circle and you're chasing it, you'll always lose that race.
Opens the face wide of the man at short third man. It's going to run away again for a boundary.
Edge, and this will probably run away for another boundary. So a good piece of bowling from Torn, who just got a little bit of swing.
And as a spinner, if you can take both edges of the bat, you can ask question of the batter from both edges of the bat. That's when you become so dangerous.
So scores a level. And hit away for a boundary. So once again, the chasing side wins this second game comfortably.
Bahawalpur Royals owned the game, finishing it off in just 12.4 overs with a brilliant start given by Basit Ali, scoring 54 of 30. He got the fastest 50 up till now in the tournament, wrapping the game up with 117 for 2, winning this by 8 wickets. Bowlers didn't have bigger scores to defend. They were struggling and they were put away for runs, especially in the power play. Only 2 bowlers grabbed 1 wicket apiece, 1 for 14 for Zubair Jr. and Hasib also got a wicket. But then the score wasn't enough to defend and Hyderabad Hunters had a tough day at office. Just a quick look at the match summary once again. Hyderabad Hunters were asked to bat first. 113 is what they managed. They had a good start in the power play, but then a middle order collapse didn't allow them to take off. They couldn't bat the 20 overs even. Bahawalpur Royals were confident they can chase this down, and so they did in 12.4 overs, getting 117 for 2 and winning this match by 8 wickets and grabbing the important 2 points. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of Match 2 of the Pakistan Junior League. Until next time, it's goodbye.